Last but not least, we finally made it. Step number 6 into the deep dive into Flawless in 5, our 6-piece makeup kit. Ooh, can you see the difference? A little something when you first put it on because it's a trade secret. This is Bare Shimmer. This is a great nude shimmery kind of color. We also have Pearl Essence if you're like, I just want the pearl kind of glowy. This is my Dahlia. Dahlia I feel like is it's very sweet, innocent, really natural. But let's say if you wanted to bump your color up, I would then move on to maybe like a Rosewood. This is our best-selling neutral lip gloss, is the Rosewood. Okay, so that just took that down a notch, right? It's a little less pinky. What I also like about our lip glosses, there's just a little vanilla essential oil pop right when you put it on. A little treat, a little something, and it just goes away. All of our stuff is fragrance free, so if you ever smell anything, no, it's not coming from fragrance. Fun fact, not so fun, actually. In the cosmetics industry, fragrance is considered a trade secret. So any clean beauty company, any company, not us, because we're a B Corp, so we are held under much stricter standards because we're a B Corp. But any company can put any ingredients into fragrance and not tell you because it's a trade secret. So literally they could just put fragrance, and inside of fragrance could be 100 ingredients. Final 6th step in Flawless in 5 is adding a lip gloss, and this is my favorite right now, is Rosewood. I put a little bit on top of my Dahlia. Flawless in 5 6-piece makeup kit. Deep dive.